Hello everyone, this is a quick review of the Ohhunt 165-10x24 scope. This is a LPVO scope, meaning you can change the zoom from 165 on to 10x zoom. It has a 24x size objective. About the scope itself, it doesn't have a variable parallax setting, or meaning it is fixed at 100 yards parallax setting. You can change it manually with some tools in this area. You can twist the objective to change the parallax setting, which is not easy, but you can change it. But it is from the manufacturer, it is a fixed parallax setting scope. The adjustments are 1/4 of MOA, meaning at 10 meters, if your target is at 10 meters, 17 clicks will mean 1 centimeter change of point of impact of projectile. At 100 yards, it will be 10 times less clicks to change a centimeter. You have lockable and resettable adjustment turrets of the elevation and the windage, 1/4 MOA, and you have on the left the battery compartment for the illumination of the reticle. It has 6 levels of illumination and the off state or the off button between those levels of illumination. At this moment it is off on 0 position. The reticle is not illuminated. It has 6 levels of illumination at the red color. I tried it at illuminated places like the street, like my property and home. The illumination of the reticle is very weak, is very low, meaning during the day, even if you put the reticle illumination at the max level, which is 6, you will not see the reticle being illuminated. You only see the red illumination of the reticle during the night, or if you are on a dark room, meaning it is not a red dot suitable for day, but it is more for usage during low light or the dark during the night or dark rooms. The scope has a throw lever included that you can use to change rapidly between for example 10, 8, 6 until 165 zoom. You have scope caps included on the package in both lenses. They are very good quality. They protect your lenses. They come included with dovetail mounts, two piece dovetail mounts, and Picatinny 20mm mounts. I use the 11mm dovetail mounts. You can use the 20mm Picatinny mounts. They are 2-piece. About the diopter, you can choose the diopter setting. If you have any problems with your eyesight or use glasses, this will be very handy. You can change from -2 to 2 diopter setting here. You just have to twist it. About the scope itself, you can use it with both eyes open at 165, 5 until 10, depends on the person, but at 165 it's almost as like a red dot. You will not have problem using both eyes open. When using 165, 3, 4, you almost use this scope as a red dot. Not quite, but it is sufficiently good to use both eyes open in this scope at low power settings of the zoom. About the reticle itself, let me try to show you. It is a very good reticle. Try to focus. It's like this. This reticle is very, very nice. It's perfect for air guns because of the projectile drop due to the gravity, and it has very in many markings that are very useful for wind conditions and to calculate bullet drop on air guns or any type of weapons. As I told you, even if I turn on the illumination, it's now on 6 level, on the level 6 of illuminated reticle. It's on the max level that illumination goes, far off about the reticle, but during the day you will not see the reticle being illuminated. But you can use it with both eyes open at the 165 zoom level or 3, 4. About the seeing targets, the scope will see clearly targets to 50, 100 yards and infinite yards or meters. Targets to 10 meters or 10 yards, you're gonna see them clearly and not foggy if you use the lower zoom settings, meaning if you use a 3, 4, 6 zoom level, you will see targets clearly and not foggy to 10 or 10 meters or 10 yards. If you want to see targets that close with 10x or 8x zoom, you will see the targets a little bit foggy and not clear. Targets to 20, 40, 100, 1000 meters or yards, you're gonna see them clearly with 10x or any level of zoom. I'm gonna use this scope with air gun that has a gas piston that has 24 joules of power. I will use it on the long term and will be posting some comments and long-term reviews about this scope on the next month and the other month after that, so you can have an idea of the durability and the resistance of this scope. The store Ohhunt gives a 2-year warranty of the scope, meaning if the scope has any problem of manufacturing, you can send it to China. You have to pay for the shipment to China, but they will repair the scope no cost, and they will send it the scope to you back at no cost. You only have to pay for the shipment. The warranty is 2 years. Any questions, just post on the comments. Thank you.